The first team I call on stage. Before that, some applause. थोड़ी तालियां हो जाए. आपके हाथों में जो कैमरा है वो ठीक है, but before that, the ones at the back, बढ़िया. The very first team making its entry for the first time in BCL, Chennai Swaggers. Let's have them on stage. The Chennai Swaggers, ladies and gentlemen, that was rather fantastic. Those who rehearsed were dancing, those who didn't rehearse had the flags in their hand. Am I right, Shabin? Everyone stay on stage. We've got a very special guest from your team as well. Put your hands together for Sunny Leone. He was also part of this team. Sunny, can I have you on stage? It will be lovely. And you all can smile till then. Well done. All the rehearsals paid off. Sunny Leone, ladies and gentlemen, a part of the Chennai Swaggers. Hello.
Good evening. I think it's on. Good evening, everyone.
So I've decided that I will not ask you any technical questions about cricket, but did you enjoy that performance by them?
I missed it. Can you do it again?
Okay, so we'll do it again.
No.
Okay. Calm down. Don't have to get so excited. Just 5 seconds, yeah? So 5 seconds. Sadly, I can't sing, because if I sing, they'll all run away. But I'll give you the count of 3. Just one little step for Sunny Leone. 1, 2. Okay, sorry. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Okay? Yeah, you all do whatever you want. 1, 2, 3, let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8! Will you attempt to play cricket with us today?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, perfect. So we're going to
I got my cricket shoes on.
Yeah, they're dangerous, but they look nice. We'll have Sunny play cricket later. Thank you guys so much for being with us. Thank you, Sunny Leone. Thank you, the entire team. Do take your seats on that side, please. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. You were so generous with Chennai. Let's have a big round of applause for Kolkata Baba Moshais. Well done. So we put the girls in the front क्योंकि obviously वो better dancers हैं. लेकिन last year के मुकाबले the boys also did a very good job. So 3 cheers for Baba Moshais and the team owner and team spirit. Nivedita Basu actually I should also join in and a couple of late Latifa, but that's our team. I'm the odd one out, but we have a nice little team picture. Thank you very much, guys. Do take stage left over there. Well done. हमारी नाक भी कटाई आप लोगों ने बहुत बढ़िया काम किया. Very nice. Stage left, girls. Direction sense, yaar. All right. We're in Mumbai and we need some tigers. So the team making the maximum noise at the back. The Mumbai Tigers. Give a big round of applause for them. The third team in the BCL Season 2. Mumbai Tigers. A big round of applause for them. Well done, guys. We'll pose for a quick team photograph and then stage left. And you all can all smile. Well done. Thank you. Mumbai Tigers, ladies and gentlemen. Well done, guys. And now we have an express that has come all the way from Ahmedabad. A big round of applause for Ahmedabad Express, our fourth team for today.
Evaka Sambhal. Abhi gayi Ahmedabad Express. So here we go. ना कोई आगे ना कोई बात, जो कर लो हमसे मुलाकात, सारे के सारे कमाल रिवाज, ना कोई आगे ना कोई बात, कर लो हमसे मुलाकात, छुप छुप करके चली आए, ये है अहमदाबाद की बात। गर्ल्स यहाँ हॉट और प्लेयर्स भी है पार, लगा देंगे यहाँ पर हम सब की वाट। Are you sure हम लोगों ने फेस दिस पहाड़? ढोकला, हांडवा, फाफड़ा और थेपला, बैट है, बॉल है, कर लो मुकाबला। We dress to impress with the flavor of our base, सुना नहीं जो in case, we are Ahmedabad Express!
Ahmedabad Express, ladies and gentlemen, and you got applause. छोटी सी islands लग रही थी. You all look like a small country. Move ahead. So many members, they've all showed up. Don't be shy, don't be shy. Come to the front of the stage. And height के हिसाब से स्कूल में जैसे होता है. The tallest is not supposed to be in the front. And come closer. Frame छोटा ही होता है. Yes. There we go. By far, see, they deserve a big round of applause because the entire team actually showed up. So big round of applause for team spirit. That's what it's all about. Well done. Thank you, Ahmedabad Express.
Can we have a huge round of applause for Salil? He's doing an awesome job. Thank you so much.
Oh God, we're only 10 minutes in there saying that. But lots to catch up on. All right, these cubs look fantastic. All of the boys have been pouting like mad and taking selfies at the back. So Chandigarh Cubs, come on, let's see those faces outside. Right here, right now. Chandigarh Cubs, ladies and gentlemen. All the boys 6'2". Well done, boys. Oh, Acha, you have not won a match. Where are you all going? The photo. Come in front. थोड़ा आगे आओ. Hey, cameras in front of you. The two buddies as well. Yeah, I know. A big smile there for and a big round of applause for the Chandigarh Cubs. Never see any of the Facebook updates of all these boys. You'll feel very fat and you'll feel very, very unfit. Thank you, boys. Yes, and the girls as well. Thank you. Revving themselves up already at the back. We're going down south to Bangalore. Rowdy Bangalore. Bangalore, stay where you are, stay where you are, well performed. Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there, and smile for the cameras. Yes. Well done. Thank you, boys. Take care. Ijaz, wrong side. Lucknow Nawabs के लिए तालियां हो जाए. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome them on stage. Lucknow Nawabs, and a lot of people wanted to come into this team. Very high concentration of ladies in this team, very pretty ladies. No, no, don't run away, don't run away. Come forward for a photograph. Aage aa jao sab log. You all can smile. No, abhi once more no. No, one photograph. Nicely smile everyone. It's a camera shot, not a movie. You need to stop waving the flag. It's not a recording. Okay. Congratulations on the team. Big round of applause for them. Stage left. Everybody exits. Okay, the next team coming up from Jaipur. Also, when I think of Jaipur, I only think of food and I think of pink. Because it is a pink city. And surprise, surprise, we're going to see pink on stage. Jaipur Raj Joshile ke liye taaliyan ho jaye. First of all, 1,000 marks for the outfit. By far the best outfit. A big round of applause. It's all about the spirit of the game. In cricket, you got to have some fun as well. Guys, come in front. And Kamil, you have to go right in the middle. There's Beauty and the Beasts. Smile, everyone. Wonderful. Thank you very much. And we exit stage left. So, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for last year's very dominant team. The Delhi Dragons, a big round of applause for them. Fantastic team, at least cricketing wise. बढ़ा दिया आते ही यार, डोंट गो एनीवेयर, सब ने दाढ़ी बना रखी है, तो चलो आगे आ जाओ. They were the first team, they rehearsed the most, and last year they were a very, very dominant team. A big round of applause, all of them play really good cricket. It's about entertainment and cricket, and this team really knows how to play the cricket. Big round of applause for them, and a big smile for the cameras. Karan, don't be in a rush to leave. पर डे कहीं कमाने की जरूरत नहीं आज. आज आप अपनी टीम के लिए आए हैं. Thank you very much, Delhi Dragons. And the food is free at the back, you may have the food. Now, another new team coming today. Anmol Ratn hai ye. Hamari Pune ki team. Pune Anmol Ratn. Big round of applause making the entry into the BCL. So let's welcome them. And that, ladies and gentlemen, with a fantastic headgear, the Pune Anmol Ratna, big round of applause for them. Thank you very much for joining us on stage. बहुत बढ़िया डांस किया आपने विकास, very nice, well done. So that pretty much brings us to the end of the 10 teams, and of course we will call them back on stage. But so that's the buffet fare, so as to say. सारी टीम्स में बहुत talented players हैं. A lot of them have actually played fringe cricket, made it almost in the Indian team. So in case you're wondering if the quality is good enough, yes it is. And of course there's a lot of entertainment, which is of course part of everything that should be on TV. And I'm nobody to say such things. I have two individuals that are truly responsible for making sure that everyone stays in front of their television sets every single day. A lady who I've had the pleasure of working with also, who I feel is one of the few geniuses I've met in my life. The joint managing director of Balaji Telefilms, Ekta Kapoor. I would like to call her on stage, and with her, the CEO of Colors TV, as you can see, the big channel that is going to be on this time, Mr. Raj Naik. A big round of applause for both of them, ladies and gentlemen. Trust me, we at BCL owe it all to the both of them. These two gentlemen and this lady here who has actually been responsible in the last 10-15 years for all of us actually having a career on television. So I'll do a lady's first situation on stage. Ekta, congratulations once again. Every time we have season 1, we always wonder, kya dusra season hoga? And will it be bigger and better? Everyone has these questions. But you were always gung-ho after season 1, during season 1 also. And thank you once again for bringing this out for all of us. So just a few words on that.
First of all, I think you confused my pants and called me gentleman, but that's okay.
No, I can be lady in the second half.
Yeah. So, but I'd like to say this, that I think whatever you do in life, you should pursue it with full passion. I love the concept. I thought it was brilliant. It was developed by these two boys who are almost young super talents, Anand and Sunny. And when we took it on, we felt it has the potential of becoming a very, very big homegrown reality show. We don't have that many big reality shows homegrown. And we hope this year we would come on that one channel that I don't think anyone has any doubt on, that is probably the most aggressive, the best channel, Indian television show. It started the last and reached the top. In 7 years, Colors has shown us exactly how to do it and what to do. And I thought, I asked Raj, so I said, I love BCL and I love you, so I want the two loves to meet.
You know, we have a program called Meri Aashiki Tumse Hi.
And that's exactly what I told him.
But you know, Raj sir, I have to ask you, cricket and films, जो भी बच्चा पैदा होता है, माँ बोलती है बेटा या तो क्रिकेट में चले जाना या एक्टर बन जाना. And when both of them fail, so then they say, चलो ठीक, अब बाकी education कर लो. This is the stage of India right now. This show is somehow being able to marry both of them together. We got cricket, we got drama. So was it a very easy fit for you as well, as Ekta said, that there is no other channel that could actually do it better?
You know, I used to sell sports at one time, and I'm a big believer in cricket. I think that's a religion in this country. And people used to always tell me there's cricket and Bollywood. I genuinely believe television is going to surpass Bollywood at some point of time.
I think it already has. Big round of applause. I think it already has. We've seen so many honors here.
The reverse integration happening where Bollywood stars are now wanting to come on television. Having said that, I think, you know, when Ekta mentioned to me about this show, and there was a little skepticism within the team, but like I said, we have blind faith in Ekta, and more importantly, we genuinely believe whenever a show moves to colors, it becomes bigger and better.
True.
I think evidence काफी है पिछले 7 सालों में. But we've also got something that we do want to show you. Sir, I'll leave the honors to you actually to introduce this.
Yeah, just a glimpse of what you will see, and then I'll tell you more about the show.
So when I say big round of applause, I mean all the 200,000 actors that are standing here. Come, much better. कि बेटा अगर आप लोग तालियां नहीं बजाओगे आपको पता है क्या होने वाला है उसके बाद. But Raj sir, you've got plans to make it bigger, better. Everyone over here wants to know what else we can do. We were fighting, we were playing cricket, we were looking at the ladies, looking at the men. So it was all in season 1. But how is it going to be different in season 2?
The way we are planning to position this show is like any NBA game that happens in the US.
An NBA game?
An NBA game, okay, or any short format game that happens in the US. This is going to be a 1.5 hour show. And it's going to be for 6 months in the year. So every Sunday, 4:30 to 6, people will be tuning into the show. So I don't
that's a first in itself.
Yeah,
so we've never had a 6-month reality show.
So it will be a 6-month reality show, and the whole idea is to get people to make it appointment viewing. And I believe it will take time. It's not going to happen overnight, but we are very convinced with the show. We are very convinced with the format, and we plan to rejig the format a little bit this year. And let's see. We are hopeful.
I don't think you can argue with two heads that are involved with this. It's going to be fantastic. But there's a slight difference also this time. We're making two teams. There's going to be Pool A and Pool B. And if you could just come on the other side, Raj sir. And Ekta, if you could just be here. We're going to do a little lucky draw. Each of you will pick out one chit. And one team will be placed. And then we'll have the leagues or the pools first to say. So, Ekta, we'll start with you. If you could just pick one chit out. And I'll read that team out.
Mumbai Tigers.
Mumbai Tigers is a very fast team. We're just getting your board out to put it over here, okay? So, put it over here. No, you've got to put it up there. Alok, here, yeah. And stay on stage, please, with us. Arjun, andar le jao, pura, wonderful. Let him concentrate. Now you can do that. Arjun! And Arjun, come on Ekta's side. You'll be on this side. Raj, sir, your turn.
I said I'm always close by. Pune.
Pune and more buttons. You're in Raj sir's team. Come on. Hello, Divyanka. How are you?
I'm super.
You're in a rival now, but doesn't matter. Wonderful. I need you, Divyanka, to be on that side. हाँ, पहले आप इसको यहाँ पे डाल दो. इसको यहाँ. Okay, yeah. Let me just put that in for you. See if you can slide it in. Yeah. Very bad carpentry. Slide in here. Please come outside and help her. Yeah. Okay. Wonderful. So, Divyanka, you're on that side. Ekta, once again, the next team, if you could pick up. Obviously, there are 10 teams, so there will be 5 on each side. Ahmedabad Express, you're next. Come on. At least have the team that have the whole family on stage scream and shout. Fantastic. Nandish, below the Mumbai Tigers. This is in no particular order, it's just random selection. Raj, sir, your turn. And Nandish, why don't you stand here? Yeah.
Chennai Swaggers.
Chennai Swaggers, come on. The gorgeous Sunny Leone. You're going to be on that side, Sunny. Raj sir's side, yep. And I just, yeah, if you could just put that in from the other side, yeah. So Mumbai, Ahmedabad with Ekta Kapoor and Chennai and Pune with Mr. Raj Nayak. Let's see now.
Jaipur Raj Joshile.
Jaipur Raj Joshile, आ जाइए स्टेज पर.
Hello.
We are missing a sari on stage. She is looking so beautiful. Kamya, यहाँ पे डाल दीजिए अंदर. And that's the third team on this side.
Kolkata, Babu Mushaiz.
Kolkata Babu, come here this side. Come here, this side. Kolkata Babu Mushaiz, where's my team? My team is sleeping because they're looking for the other team. Come on! There we go. Oh, there we go. Big round of applause for our team that is in that league. That side, buddy. So we've also gone through great restructuring after the first season. 8 new members. I'm getting used to all of them slowly.
Rowdy Bangalore.
Rowdy Bangalore! You're in Ekta's team. Come darling over here. Wonderful.
Delhi Dragons. Delhi Dragons.
Delhi Dragons. Yeah. Delhi Dragons is in our league. Yeah.
Chandigarh Cubs.
Chandigarh Cubs. Rounds it up. See, this is it's a skill game. Wahi, dexterity, use of hands. Come on. Anita over here. So while Wahi struggles with that, Wahi, it's a rule. Those who don't do it can't go and stand over there. You have to put it in completely. Okay, we'll leave it at that. Can somebody help him out, please?
Lucknow Nawabs.
Lucknow Nawabs. Wonderful, Wahi. Well done. Thank you. That's enough. We'll stay. One sec. As you can see with my mic, I'm refraining from such comments, Patel. Okay. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We've got Pool A and Pool B. Mumbai Tigers, Ahmedabad Express, Chandigarh Cubs, Jaipur Raj Joshile, Rowdy Bangalore. Is Ekta Kapoor's side. A big round of applause for them. And on the other side, we've got Puri and Moorrattan, Chennai Swaggers, Kolkata Babu Mushaiz, Delhi Dragons, and Lucknow Nawabs. Obviously, they will play against them, and eventually there'll be quite a few round-robin matches. And may the best team need a big round of applause for them. But I did promise you that Sunny will play some cricket, Ekta will play some cricket, Raj sir will play some cricket. So can I get the bat, ball, and the wickets on stage? So all those who have been lying about how they play, it shall be all visible today.
You're not serious, right?
Absolutely serious, sir. I've got, in fact, I'm expecting every ball to be hit in the crowd, so we've got 12 balls. We're going to take 2 overs.
See, every time I bowl to Ekta, I wanted to hit a sixer.
We'll see who wins the bazi today. Cricket to डाल दो पहले, stumps तो लगाओ. नहीं वहाँ नहीं लगाने.
Sorry, I can't play cricket, yeah.
You haven't?
I never played cricket.
We'll make sure that every ball you hit is a 6. Even if it's not 6, we'll make sure it's a 6. Come. Now हो जाएगा. Come.
I spell cricket with a K, yeah.
Okay. One sec. So I'll give this choice to you. Which side would you want to bat? That side or this side? It's up to you. Which side do you want to be photographed from?
I want my Vastu guy here first.
Anybody can help out? So you want that side or this side? You choose. That side. This side is fine. And boys. Yeah. Raj sir. Sunny, I want you to do the honors as well. You will have to bat also, you will have to bowl also. Each one ball at a time. Just throw it. Yeah. So, it doesn't matter. Wahi, you are from this side, so you will keep wickets. You have to just hit the ball as you hit it. Okay, so ball 1. Sunny Leone bowling to Ekta Kapoor. A big round of applause. Field का क्षेत्ररक्षण करते हुए सनी लियोनी सोच रही है बॉल कहाँ डालेंगी, लेकिन अभी उनको बताया गया कि सीधा स्टंप्स पर ही डालना है. एक टप्पा, 2 टप्पा, it doesn't matter. Sabi, you can do underarm, overarm, anything you want. Just don't hurt Ekta. The BCL hasn't started yet. Yeah, exactly. And that's a 4. Stop catching the ball. Let it go to the boundary. Okay, second ball. Well done, Ekta. First ball 4. Oh, on the front foot, she takes it on the full. Well done. And the last ball by Sunny. Oh, well, it's okay. Mr. Stumps done. Thank you so much, Sunny. That was wonderful. Raj sir, 3 balls by you. Not at all. You still continue to bat. Sir, don't cheat and don't swing the ball. Lovely shot. So obviously, Ekta, you've been practicing because you said you spell cricket with a K. Well done there. And another lovely shot. Sir, this is too easy. So by my calculations, 44 runs have been scored in the last ball. You have to come and beat that score. Trying to spin the ball. Actually, swings it to square leg. Big round of applause. Now your turn to bat. No, but it's only 6 balls, Ekta now. Now it's their turn to bat. Well played. Well played. Big round of applause. Now, Raj sir, I choose you to say whoever can bat. Who would like to bat? It's okay. Somebody else can also bat. Who would like to bat? Hey, Raj sir should bat, but दिव्यांका को दे दिया है बैट. अगर हार भी गए तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. दिव्यांका ने हराया हमें. Oh, Anita's bowling. Sunny is not bowling. Oh, Anita, calm down. Not so competitive, please. Slowly. Okay, Raj sir, now you have to come and bat because now she's got Divyanka out. अब अनीता तुम आओ दोबारा जरा. हाँ, sir, up to you. Oh, the stumps have been placed right. Oh, Anika, will you please behave yourself? थोड़ा धीरे bowling करो यार. Loop the ball, beta, loop the ball. Oh, and that's being swallowed for 6. Wonderful. Now, Sunny, you have to bat on popular demand. Come. There we go. Just, yeah, the other side. Yeah, there we go. Come here, एक second. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, wide ball. कामया सीधी बॉल फेंकनी है आपको सीधा स्टंप्स पर बस. अच्छा चलो 1, 2, 3 गो. और तुम्हारा फुल टॉस बॉल. But the pose was perfect, Sunny. Wonderful. It did look like you hit the shot. That's it. कैसी बॉलिंग कर रहे हो आप? हटाओ मेरी नजरों से. Wonderful. I think that absolutely. Last ball to be bowled. I leave it to you all to choose someone. So Randish, you picked it up, now you bowl. Okay. The girls come. Oh my God. ये तो बीमर है. You're disqualified. You are disqualified. Hurry, give some time. Okay, thank you very much. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. That's done. Ekta, you are hands down the winner. You hit every ball into the crowd and they all tried to get you out. So let's be generous with our applause. And now that we have all the team representatives on stage, do stay on stage. Can we get these stumps out, please? Can I get some chairs on stage, please? And then I'm going to call two gentlemen, without which this would not have been possible. Again, one who I've been seeing in the gym for the last 12 years. He's 54, but he still looks 30. So don't be fooled by his looks. He's very fit. A 17-pack he has. Two boys who started on a mission about 2.5 years ago and managed to convince every single actor that we should actually come and play cricket. Sunny and Anand, big round of applause for them. They have thought of this concept of BCL, made it so big for us. We love them. And now they're all a big team. And boys, we would like you to say a few words also. आंखों में आंसू आंसू आने चाहिए यार. It's season 2 happening.
हाँ यार, एक्चुअली आंसू मेरे को आते नहीं है, बड़ी कोशिश की.
अच्छा, but obviously you're very happy once again that it's huge and bigger, better. 6 months on TV, that's going to be a long time. या तो परेशान हो जाएंगे या बहुत ज़्यादा TRP आ जाएगी. But how are you feeling? I mean, now that the stage is set for such a huge season 2 here.
See, I'm very happy. Basically, कॉन्सेप्ट ऐसे बना था कि मेरे घर में अगर कोई शादी होती है ना, तो संगीत और सगन के साथ साथ क्रिकेट मैच भी फिक्स हो जाता है कि सब रिश्तेदार आ रहे हैं, खेल लेंगे. और सब लड़के लड़कियां, भाई बहन, कजन सब खेलते थे. तो बस उसी को दिमाग में रख के हमने फॉर्मेट बना दिया. बस एक क्या होता है कि जब लड़के खेलते हैं ना, वो लड़कियों को या तो विकेट कीपिंग कराते हैं या फील्डिंग कराते हैं.
इसलिए फाइन लेग में फील्डिंग है, नॉट इन एनीवेयर द बॉल कैन गो.
तो हमने कहा फॉर्मेट ऐसा बनाते हैं कि टॉप 4 में एक लड़की का बैट करना जरूरी है, पहले 4 ओवर में एक लड़की का बॉलिंग करना जरूरी है. जैसे राज सर ने कहा कि वी आर लुकिंग एट क्रिएटिंग अ फॉर्मेट लाइक NBA. सो आई एम श्योर विद 2 giants, that is Ekta Kapoor and Raj sir, we are very sure कि this is going to be rocking. This will be rocking. So
what you mentioned actually, let me just clarify for you. So in case you're wondering if the girls are going to be just standing around, if you haven't seen the last season, no. So they have to bowl in the first 4 overs. They have to bat in the first 4 batters. So it pretty much becomes fantastic because last year the girls pretty much won the matches for them. All the boys think they all can play. But if you can't have the girls play really well, then you can sort of end up losing match. So all the girls very crucial, and that's why this is actually the only unisex league that there is. So a big round of applause for them to actually think of this. And then to get beauty along with us men, it works pretty well. आप कुछ बोलेंगे sir?
धन्यवाद.
He is the silent partner but very sweet. He is also doing my check, so he's nice. Anyway, so what we're going to do now is, I've chatted quite a bit. You all can please take your seats and I'm going to open out questions to the press. Okay, so I can't see anything. So anybody ask any questions? Could be questions there? Anybody want to ask something? No? Don't want to ask? Okay, I'll ask. Okay. So Vahi, I'll start with you. Where are mics? Can I get some mics on stage as well, please?
Yeah, here are the mics.
Yeah, I have my mic. Salil.
Okay. Yeah, actually, you know what? Can we just get Ekta and Raj right in the middle, guys? So, yeah. So, yeah, Nadish, you can come there. Okay. So, some of them team owners, some of them key players. And, yeah, go ahead. But first, I'll chat with you, Vahi. You play really well. He's a very good player. He was a man of the match last year as well.
Thank you.
Yeah, this season 2 just started. What are your expectations? You're going to have to fight with me, but sadly we're in the same side, so there's no fighting. But we're excited once again that season 2 is starting.
Very excited because I think the main reason, मेरा जो main reason है, cricket has always been first love. और last time हम सबको बोला गया था कि यार तुम दिल्ली वाले ना बहुत ज़्यादा cricket खेलते हो, तुम मस्ती नहीं करते हो. Unfortunately या fortunately, I think for us, the main players or most of the players that we have in the Delhi team are people who've actually been cricketers and then have become actors. तो हम लोगों को ये बहुत, I think we're just here for the love of the game यार.
And I think we all actually feel that also. हम लोग रात तक rehearsal करते हैं, including you, Anita. Every day for practice, this girl is there even today, first up. So just for your enthusiasm, I love it. And you've also been very serious about your teams. Balka and you both are always making sure that everyone's out there. रुला भी देते हो, खाना भी लाते हो. You are the mummies of the team.
But we enjoy it too, so it's fun and
And Balka, you are no nonsense. I heard that you're very strict with your players. Is that true?
So not true. Please मेरी टीम से पूछिए मैं
नहीं नहीं, तो उस तरफ देख के थोड़ी ना बोलना है. You have to look at me and tell me if you're
Come
strict.
on, 2 लड़कियां हैं, इतने सारे लड़के हैं. अब you know who rules.
So you have to crack the whip. You need to enjoy it also, है ना?
Yeah, we have.
Come on, boys. Let's play cricket today. Okay, so let's go to the middle as well. Divyanka, you still got your headgear on. Fantastic. So you're in a different team. She was part of our team last year. So it's nice. She's actually been traded in because she's got $1 million to go across. But apart from that, now that you're in this league also, you had a little bit of a shock when you met me last year. You met all the players last year. All was very aggressive. But are you happy again that part of BCL 2 as well? Your show is super hot, as far as on television is concerned. So you have to do that as well as Comfort Ace. So it's going to be a tough 2 months.
Absolutely, it's going to be a tough time for me, but then I'm ready for it. And I was very keen on participating in BCL 2, and why not Pune and Nilratna, because they were the underdogs and they came till finals. And I think I'm one of the underdogs because I've never played cricket, but I'll be working hard on it. I'll be practicing.
अगर इस बार दिव्यांका ने बैटिंग नहीं की ना तो देख लेना. I'll hold this recording as proof. हाँ? Opening करेंगे. Oh, fantastic.
I should rather say.
इजाज़त होगी. You look like you want to beat somebody up यार. भाई क्या हालचाल? आपके हाथ में वो रुमाल है या किसी ने मार दिया आपको या आपने किसी को मार दिया?
भाई इस बार राउडी बेंगलोर सिर्फ क्रिकेट खेलने आया.
अच्छा.
मैच खेलने आया फिर एंटरटेनमेंट के साथ. लास्ट ईयर मेरे को 250 एक्टरों में एंटरटेनर ऑफ द सीरीज मिला था. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. थैंक यू एकता. और एक और बात बोलूंगा, इस बार सिर्फ क्रिकेट खेलेंगे, कोई से झगड़ा नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन बड़े खड़े छोटे बैठे आलिम के फैसले अगर जालिम करेंगे तो फिर राउडी वाले बोलेंगे. और हमारा एक काम ये होगा कि अगर राउडी की छटकेगी तो लोगों के गले में अटकेगी और उनकी आत्मा ये ग्राउंड में भटकेगी.
I spent a week with Sidhu Baji right now and you are right up there यार.
कोई बात नहीं.
Imagine Sidhu Baji and you doing commentary together.
माइंड ब्लोइंग.
5 आवर चल रहा होगा अभी तक. फर्स्ट जोक पर चल रहे होंगे आप दोनों.
नहीं यार, तुमसे तो कम ही बोलते यार.
We love each other, but that's beautiful, guys. So you know what I'm going to do is, I'm going to open Arfiala, no questions, and we'll go to a bit of a photo op. And should we? Okay, sounds good. So Ekta, Raj, we'll do a photo op with you and Sameem first. Then we'll do all the teams together. So the three of you, all of you all could just come up right to in the center. Oh, you have a couple of questions? Well, nod a little bit so I could see. Okay, let them at least finish the photo op. We'll finish the photo ops right here. Yeah, just a bit in the front.
हाँ, लखनऊ से ही क्या नाम? अच्छा.
Thank you. And the questions, yeah.
अजय लखनऊ नवाब से मेरा सवाल है. मैं रितेश ETV से हूँ इधर.
हाँ, ठीक है.
लखनवी स्टाइल दिखेगा, लखनवी नवाबी स्टाइल दिखेगी, और क्या तैयारी है? इस बार सबसे नई टीम है इस पूरे लीग में आपकी.
देखिए, इस BCL में क्रिकेट होता है, मज़ा होता है, सब होता है, लेकिन सबकी अलग अलग स्टाइल हैं. तो हमने सोचा कि एक नवाबी स्टाइल में कुछ क्रिकेट खेला जाए, तो इसलिए हमने ये टीम बना दी जिसका नाम है लखनवी नवाब. टीम बड़ी लाजवाब है, इसलिए लखनवी नवाब है.
यार खाना मिलेगा रोज जब आप लोग के साथ खेलेंगे हम लोग?
हाँ बिल्कुल, क्यों नहीं मिलेगा, एकदम लखनऊ वाला.
एवरी डे ना? सो
एवरी डे नहीं, एक ही दिन.
अच्छा,
इतना नहीं यार.
ओके. एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस?
मेरा क्वेश्चन अर्जुन बिजलानी से है. अर्जुन, आप मुंबई टाइगर्स के ओनर भी हैं और कैप्टन भी हैं, तो कितना प्रेशर फील कर रहे हैं?
हाँ, कामया माइक. हाँ.
पहली बात तो मैं अभी ओनर बना हूँ और मैं कैप्टन हूँ नहीं. अभी वो डिसाइड करना है कि कैप्टन कौन होगा, तो वील डिसाइड दैट लेटर. बट प्रेशर मैं कुछ ज़्यादा फील नहीं कर रहा हूँ. जो भी प्रेशर है वो हैंडल किया जाएगा, आई गेस.
So yes, I'm pretty much happy कि I'm born and brought up in Mumbai. मुंबई से ही हूँ और आज मुंबई की टीम का ओनर बन गया हूँ. तो it feels good. आजकल एक्टर टीम्स खरीद रहे हैं.
Yeah, hi. Gaurav here from televisionpost.com. My question is for Raj. Sir, last time it was on Sony and the performance, what we saw was not very great, I would say.
You didn't like it? Go on. You didn't like it last year?
Not much.
Are you saying all 120 of us that performed, you didn't like how we performed last year? I'm just kidding. Ask the question.
So how are you going to...
That's security be when you're leaving.
Yeah, I mean, now I'm really scared to...
बेटा आप जरा बाहर मिलना, 200 एक्टर वेट कर रहे हैं आपके लिए.
Journalist fraternity सब मेरे साथ है, but I hope so. Yeah. Okay. So my question is, how are you going to ensure? एक तो 6 महीने लंबा time है. Then you also said that habit formation will take some time. So what is your expectation and how are you going to, make this as a habit?
You know, shows like Khatron Ka Khiladi, Big Boss, Jhalak Dikhla Jo, they all moved to our channel. So that's just an indication. But we, like I said, we genuinely believe in this show, and together we will work very hard. It's not a one-time thing that we want to do it one season and be done. It's a long-term thing. We will try and build on it. And if the show needs some tweaking to be done, we will do that, and we will aggressively promote it, build on it. And I think there's a lot of learning from last season. That was the first attempt. And hopefully this year, like I said, it will be bigger, better. We will scale it, and over a period of time, I think people will love the reality part of the show. Cricket is just the backdrop of it. But the truth is, the drama, the romance, the reality that comes. Tell me which other show you get to see 200 television stars on one platform. I think that itself is a huge thing. Now just imagine 200 television stars tweeting every week, doing Facebook updates every week. Look at the fan following that they have. Now, if we are able to put it together and package it together and promote it well, I see no reason why. And of course, the drama has to be there, and I think that will happen. We've seen some of the things from last season. And this time, like I said, we will tweak it a bit. And I'm very sure that this show will do very well.
And a supplementary question to that, as you said that 200 actors. So question to Ekta as well. When it comes to, such a big budget show, how are you going to manage any return of investments on this kind of big show?
See, there are 8-10 teams, and managing actors and getting them on is mostly their job. And we have a big platform. There's a whole economic discussion behind that's happened to work out the economics of the show. And for the first few years, we've put our heart, our money and our energies behind the show, with the hope that eventually we'll make a lot of money. But belief doesn't always pay you in the first 2 years or 3 years. It does multiply and pay you back in multiples when you actually continue believing.
काम्या, लास्ट टाइम करण पटेल ने आपकी टीम में काफी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया था, लेकिन इस बार वो आपकी टीम में नहीं है. कुछ खास वजह?
ये कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल सवाल तो आना ही था, एक इसका ही इंतजार था हम सबको. पटेल को बैक पीछे से मैं आंसर करवा लूंगा और कामयाब आई सामने से दे दूं.
जी, आपने क्या कहा? एक्चुअली आपने क्या कहा मैंने सुना नहीं. मैंने
करण ने काफी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया था आपकी टीम में लास्ट टाइम, लेकिन इस बार वो आपकी टीम में नहीं है. कोई खास वजह?
बहुत अच्छा सवाल है. कोई खास वजह? आई थिंक मैं सिर्फ एक लाइन कहना चाहूंगी. द बिगेस्ट ट्रेजेडी ऑफ लाइफ इज दैट समथिंग ऑलवेज चेंज. सो चेंजेस होते रहते हैं. टीम बदली है, इरादे नहीं बदले हैं, और तैयारी अभी जीत की है. चाहे जो पिछली बार थे वो इस बार नहीं हो. इरादे नहीं बदलेंगे. और जो वजह बहुत ही
क्लियर है, बहुत ही साफ है. आई थिंक मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं. इट्स ऑल ओवर इन द मीडिया एंड पेपर्स. मैं बहुत ही बिंदास औरत हूँ. मुझे कोई बिल्कुल पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट होना मुझे आता नहीं. मैं डिप्लोमेट नहीं होती हूँ. मुझे बहुत ही क्लियर है. क्या मुझे बताने की जरूरत है?
बिल्कुल नहीं. आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी डिग्निफाइड आंसर. आई थिंक लेट्स नॉट गो इनटू दैट जोन. इट्स कॉल्ड गूगल. We can go Google, right? And take a screen print out. Wonderfully said. Let's stick to cricket. Anything else?
एकता मैम.
Yeah.
यहाँ से. इस शो में रियलिटी भी है, ड्रामा भी है, लेकिन ड्रामा के लिए स्क्रिप्टेड फैक्टर आएगा. मतलब थोड़ा सा कहीं पर कुछ हद तक ये स्क्रिप्टेड होगा या नहीं होगा?
क्या होगा?
जो शो है स्क्रिप्टेड कुछ.
आप एक काम करिए, कभी भी जब BCL का गेम चल रहा है वहां सेट पे आ जाइए. और यू नो व्हाट क्रिकेट डज? वी हैव एक्टर्स जो सबसे ज्यादा मुझे लगता है इनसिक्योर एंड अग्रेसिव लॉट है इस दुनिया का. ऊपर से उनको आपने कंपेटिटिव स्पिन में डाल दिया. आई डोंट थिंक यू नीड टू क्रिएट अ स्क्रिप्ट. दे लव देयर टीम्स. आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर every hall in Bombay was booked by these guys who used to finish shooting at 10 o'clock and then go and rehearse. That's when I first heard about BCL. I picked up the show very late, in fact just 20 days before we had the shoot. So I wanted to make some changes. We couldn't make too many at that time, but what we realized was we never told anyone that you have to go and create drama. When you're playing a game and you're actually involved in the game and you're playing for a team and you start living with that team and become a part of that team, that itself is enough to create every kind of drama.
And I can vouch for that. We used to practice at 3 o'clock in the morning and we used to just fight with each other. Forget about the other teams. Thank you so much, guys. Hello. Yeah. Okay, last question and then we wind up.
सनी, मेरा सवाल
आपसे पूछना है कि आजकल के स्टार्स और क्रिकेटर्स काफी एग्रेसिव हो गए हैं, तो क्या सोल्यूशन है उनका एग्रेसिवनेस कम करने का?
क्यों सर? अच्छा तो है, स्पोर्ट में जीतने की कोशिश की जा रही है. विराट कोहली कम अग्रेसिव थोड़ी ना हुए. एनीवे, who will you ask this question to? एकता मैम.
आजकल के स्टार्स और क्रिकेटर्स काफी एग्रेसिव हो गए हैं, तो क्या सोल्यूशन है उनका एग्रेसिवनेस कम हो जाए?
ज्यादा काम दो.
ओके.
एग्रेशन ऑटोमेटिकली कम होगा. एग्रेशन का एक ही सोल्यूशन है, थकान.
ठीक है, we'll wrap up. एकता, अच्छा ठीक है, अब तो सारे सवाल पूछना चाह रहे. ओके, आ जाओ.
Ekta, congratulations for the second season of BCL. One out of the box question. Your latest offering, Kya Kule Hum 3, is trending on social media. So first of all, आपने सेंसर बोर्ड से किस तरह उसको पास कराया?
ये एक सेपरेट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस होगा. तो अगर क्या कुल के सवाल मैंने अलाउ किए तो आई थिंक ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का क्रम भी बदल जाएगा.
We hardly get to interact with you. You hardly come and interact with media. So just
let me just tell you one thing, that this interaction is from my favorite game show, BCL. As far as I'm concerned, I cannot talk about Kya Cool here, but from morning if my phone is rung for anything, it is about the jokes in Kya Cool. I can't answer any more questions. I will be not in Bombay on the day of the release. That's all I can tell you.
All right, we wind up. Yes, okay. Yes, please, okay.
Why did you choose to be a part of Chennai team?
Because there's a loudest group right back there. That's why. I'm so excited to be a part of this. I have always heard about cricket growing up. I didn't get to play because we played baseball. As you saw, I was very bad. But I'm really excited to see my team play. I want you guys to win. I want you guys to rock it. And that noise back there, that passion is why I chose to be a part of this.
I think all the teams have shown as much passion, trust me. If we give them a chance. Thank you guys. And if you go out, please come in front.
एकता मैम, एक मिनट. मैम,
अच्छा, sorry, 1 minute, last.
BCL में मैम सबसे ज्यादा मुझे देखा बालाजी प्रोडक्शन के ही एक्टर ज्यादा हमें नजर आ रहे हैं. तो आपके शो को कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये लोग क्रिकेट भी खेलने, आपको शो भी करना है और हमें यहाँ तक पता है कि आपके शो को लेके बहुत ही बैक टू बैक सीन होते हैं. तो एक्टर को किस तरह टाइम मिल पाएगा? जैसे नागिन में अर्जुन है, मोनी है.
सिंपल है. आई विल टेल यू वन थिंग, जो अपनी टीम के लिए बहुत ज्यादा अग्रेसिव है वो लोग एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे.
आई थिंक साल में 50 इवेंट्स होते हैं, रिबन कटिंग्स होते हैं, साड़ी फंक्शंस होते हैं, शादी के अटेंडेंस होते हैं, सारे एक्टर्स इसके लिए टाइम निकालते हैं, इसके लिए आराम से निकालेंगे.
See, that's why I love how she answers it. तभी distance makes the heart go fonder. जिस दिन आते हैं प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए 4 आपको कोड मिल जाते हैं. Perfect. Guys, can we have a nice photograph up there? And then I'll ask Sunny, Raj, and Ekta to have a seat. But for now, one large group photograph, everyone. Let's all come closer. Everyone come closer. In fact, Anita, Barka, why don't you come in the front? Should you want to? This is big enough, or do you want them to come in front? Yeah, come in the front. So towards the yeah, if you girls can come in the front. थोड़ा kneel down करने को प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. What are you doing? अच्छा. One without, and then one with, yeah. Why don't you? Do you want them to sit down or no? So do you want them to kneel down? Yes. Are you okay with me kneeling down? Not alone. Okay, girls stand up, boys come in front. Yeah. Thank you so much. Oh, okay, all the captains and team members came. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, Sunny. Lovely. Thank you, Ekta. Okay, you all stay. You all stay. And I will, there's food and there's drinks for everyone, but now I'm going to hand you all over to the colors people because they want different photographs with everyone. Sarah, please come back. There are different photographs for the media bits and all that. Yeah, so hang on. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sunny. Hope you enjoyed yourselves. And I love all you journalists as well.